How to log out of Outlook app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To log out from your Outlook app, all you need to do is basically launch your Outlook first and foremost. Then select the account from which you wish to log out. Then once you have signed in with a particular account, click on your user icon which is at the top left corner. From here at the very bottom you will see a setting gear option, click on it. Right over here under General, go ahead and select on Account. Tap on the account. Over here you will have to select on Remove Account. As Outlook application does not have the logout feature, you will have to select on the Remove Account. Don't worry, this will not lose any of your data. You can log back into your account or log back into the device anytime that you prefer. This is the alternative way to log out of your app. Click on the Remove button. Now, if you wish to add back or log into the same particular account, all you need to do is tap on Add Account, then enter your email address to log into the app. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.